Hi, Conastántu. How are you? Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to say the names of some different species of fish in Irish. So we'll start with cod. The Irish for cod is trusk. 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 Haddock. The Irish for haddock is cadóg. 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 Moving on to hake. The Irish for hake is culamóis. 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 Moving on to sea bream. The Irish for sea bream is daragán. 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 And this word daragán also shows up in the Irish term for redwing, the bird. That is daragán sneachta. Daragán sneachta. So called because they're a winter visitor to Ireland. They show up between the months of October and March when, if we're going to have snow, that's when we have it. Back to fish. The Irish word for herring is scadán. 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 And this is used in the Irish word for herring gull, which is fuilán scadán. Fuilán scadán. Fuilán scadán. There is, of course, another term for herring gull in Irish, which is fuilán an airgid. Fuilán an airgid. Fuilán an airgid. On to mackerel. The Irish for mackerel is mackerel. 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 And you will also hear runnach. Runnach. The Irish word for salmon is one that varies a fair bit between the three main dialects. So in Munster, Kerry, where I'm from, it's Burdán, Burdán, Burdán. In Connacht, it would be Brodán, Brodán, Brodán. And up north, in Ulster, Bradán, Bradán, Bradán. So Bradán, Bradán, and Bradán. Munster, Connacht, Ulster. Moving on to flatfish. So the word for flatfish as a category of fish is lahóg. Lahóg. Or iasc lahógach. Iasc lahógach. And this word lahóg also doubles as the word for the fish plaice, which of course is a type of flatfish. So lahóg is also plaice. Another common flatfish is the flounder. The Irish for flounder is le. 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 So that's one that doesn't present too much of a challenge in terms of pronunciation there. You won't flounder with flounder, so le. Moving on back into the sea, the deeper sea here with monkfish. So the Irish for monkfish is bráthais. 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 And in English we have the word monk. In Irish we have this term bráthais. So it sounds like brother in English, but it's not the word that we use for brother when speaking about a blood relative, for instance, in Irish. This word bráthais is used, say, for a Christian brother or for a comrade or a colleague. So somebody that you have some friendship or closeness to or warmth for, but not a blood relative. So bráthais. Similar in a way when you consider Christian brothers and such to the word monk in English. Irish word for ray is rook. 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 And you will also hear ruh. Ruh. On to the only freshwater fish on our list today, although the salmon does spend some time in freshwater. Trout. So brack. 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 And trout features in the seanchal or proverb that we're going to finish with today. So this one is similar to the English proverb, the English language proverb, one swallow does not a summer make. This one goes ní sclé brack. So one trout is not a multitude or a swarm. Ní sclé brack. Ní sclé brack. Okay, I'll leave you with that thought. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the little lesson. From me, Ben, till the next time. Slán go fóill. Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.